In this problem, it says that Sam said the following triangle is a right triangle because 9 plus 32 equals 40. And each of these numbers comes from the side lengths in that triangle. Well, first of all, we have to explain what did Sam do wrong, and then we're going to try and come up with a correct solution. So first things first, 9 plus 32 is actually equal to 41. So this piece, he started off wrong, but he's also missing something. He has two small sides added together, but in the Pythagorean theorem we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So really we want these to be squared. And then we have to check and see if these create a true statement. So 9 times 9 is 81. 32 times 32 comes out to be 1024. And 40 times 40 is 1600. Then over here we've got 1105, which is not equal to 1600. So none of these are equal, which means this is not a right triangle.